Paula Daniele from Crochet Hooks You here, and today I'll be showing you how to make the ripple stitch. For the ripple stitch you'll need a multiple of 3 stitches plus 1 and then add 2 chain stitches for the foundation chain. Now I've just chained on 15 chain stitches to get started and for demonstration purposes. So for row 1 we'll be doing 2 double crochet stitches into the 3rd chain from the hook. So 1, 2, 3, we'll be doing 2 double crochet stitches into that 3rd chain. There's our first double crochet stitch, and into the same chain stitch we'll do our 2nd double crochet stitch. Now we're going to skip 2 chain stitches. So that's where we've done our 2 double crochet stitches, so we need to skip this one, skip that one, and we'll be working into this next one here. And we'll be doing 1 single crochet stitch into that chain, and into that same chain we'll do 2 double crochet stitches. So there's our first double crochet, and into the same chain do our 2nd double crochet. And we're just going to repeat that sequence basically. We'll just skip 2 chain stitches, and then we'll do a single crochet and 2 double crochet stitches into this stitch here, this chain stitch. So we've skipped 2 chains, and in the next chain we do a single crochet stitch. So there's our single crochet, and now we'll go and do our 2 double crochet stitches into the same chain stitch. That's our first double crochet, and there's our 2nd one. Now we'll skip 2 chain stitches, and into this next chain stitch do a single crochet and 2 double crochet stitches into the same chain. There's our first double crochet, and we'll do a 2nd one into that same chain. Now when you have 3 chain stitches left at the end here, you're going to skip these 2, and in the last chain stitch you're just going to do 1 single crochet stitch to end the row. And that's what it'll be looking like at the end of row 1. So now you'll need to turn your work. And for row 2, we'll start off with a chain 2, so 1, 2, and we're going to do 2 double crochet stitches into that first single crochet stitch right there. You can tell that it's a single crochet stitch because if you pull it out, it actually displays like a little hole there, sort of telling you, crochet here. So we're going to do 2 double crochet stitches into that first single crochet stitch. So there's our first double crochet. And there's our second double crochet. And now we're going to skip these 2 double crochet stitches here, and we'll be working into this single crochet stitch here. And once again, if you jiggle it around like that, you can actually see right there, there's a hole that opens, and you know that's where you need to crochet into. So we're skipping these 2 double crochet stitches and working into this single crochet stitch, and we're going to do a single crochet. So 1 single crochet, and into that same stitch again we'll do 2 double crochet stitches. So there's our first double crochet, into the same stitch again, a second double crochet stitch. So it's fairly repetitive. You're just going to skip these 2 double crochet stitches, find the single crochet stitch there, and make a single crochet into that stitch, and then into the same stitch we're going to do 2 double crochet stitches as well. So here goes our first double crochet, and then in the same stitch here goes our second double crochet stitch. So once again, skip these 2 double crochet stitches, find the single crochet stitch there, and we're going to do a single crochet stitch in there, and then into the same stitch do our 2 double crochet stitches. Here's 1, and our second double crochet. Now up towards the end here we've got 2 double crochet stitches there, and here's our chain 2. Now you can either end off by doing 1 single crochet into that second chain stitch there, or you can cheat like I do and just dive in under that chain 2 and just do 1 single crochet to finish the row, and then turn your work, and that's what it's looking like. So that's what the ripple stitch looks like. And to continue your work, you'd repeat row 2 for as many times as you need to. And as your work grows, this is what the ripple stitch will look like